Hi everyone, Alexis here with the Park Group. Thank you for joining us for another Walkthrough Wednesday. Today I am so excited because we are doing a behind the scenes tour of a David Weekley quick move-in home. And I have Chad here with David Weekley, and he's going to be walking us through this almost ready behind the scenes quick move-in home. So please, Chad, tell us where we're at.
Awesome. Well, first of all, Alexis, always good to see you. So here we are in Crosswinds, of course, super convenient to Pine Island Academy, which is K through 8. And then this lot in particular, this home site, is right across from the playground. And it's a really nice playground,
Yeah, it's a great playground. I love how convenient it is. There's golf cart parking I see right behind that van as well. So
absolutely.
Wonderful. Let's go inside. Oh, sorry.
All right. So right when you come in, you have this really nice defined doorway. And Alexis, I want you to look right back here too.
Oh yeah.
So David Weekley's very intentional about the sight lines. Everything, just the way it's laid out, it's really designed for everyday living, as well as just, kind of things like that, like the sight lines to pour in the natural light.
Yeah, absolutely. I love that. And I love how you walk into this big foyer. There's so many different things that you could do with the space, benches, drop zones.
Absolutely. 10-foot ceilings.
Yes.
And now this floor plan, the Shepherd, is fantastic because you have 2 bedrooms on the main level. So a lot of people end up putting, perhaps they have a baby that they put in this room, and then eventually they move him or her upstairs. Maybe grandma and grandpa come to stay. So having that first level, with an ensuite bath, and of course access from the hall and the bedroom is incredibly useful.
That's perfect. Great for the bedroom, great for the guests. And I love the closet as you walk in 2-car. I don't know if you had pointed that out.
All right. Really nice open space here in the kitchen. Our designers did a wonderful job.
Oh yeah.
Tying this all together. You can even see some of this, the gold accents and the quartz tie together, with the fixtures and appliances. Of course, the vent hoods vent out. I recently learned that was one of the top causes of house fires. Is if they vent into the attic and oil goes up there. So no need to worry about that here.
Awesome. Yeah, there's tons of storage in here. As you can obviously see, this is truly a behind the scenes tour of this. Carling's about to show you the pantry that's here in the kitchen. Now this home, Chad, you said it'll be ready, next month?
Yeah.
What are we looking at?
Yeah,
okay.
Roughly, around June, of course,
okay.
we can work with you.
Okay, so around June, so before kids go back to school, this would be a great opportunity to buy a new home in here in Nocatee right before that happens.
And of course, like I was saying, the proximity to Pine Island Academy, you can almost see it out there. So being able to, drop your kids off or even just have them walk to school.
Yeah, it's so close.
Such an incredible amenity. I was driving out the other day and it was kind of cool to see a group of probably 8 or 9-year-olds just walking by themselves to school. Like where in America do you see that?
Yeah, perfect proximity. Love this open concept with the kitchen into the dining, into the living room.
Nice big enclosed patio. The gas stove, of course. You can do a fire pit or a grill. Really nice and bright, consistent throughout the whole house. In terms of that brightness, of course, you have your owner suite here on the main. Tray ceiling in here, which of course is beautiful. Really draws in the light, and of course the owner suite is positioned on the back of the home for a little privacy.
Yeah, I love that it's so separate.
Now this bathroom,
I will say this
epic.
is probably one of my favorite finishes that you guys have ever done in a bathroom. I absolutely love this tile floor. I want it in my bathroom.
I might second you on that. It ties together so beautifully.
And that rain shower head, oh my gosh, what an upgrade. I also love the subway tiles going from the floor to the ceiling. That's stunning.
Floor to ceiling tile. These floors are textured, so it's kind of gives you an outdoor feel. Now this closet, Carling, I'm going to show you. We're not done. I think we found El Chapo back there.
I love all the storage in this closet. I love that it keeps going. Double sinks, very important. Water closet, love that.
And of course, you have your own thermostat here in the owner suite
to
control your carrier systems. David Weekley is incredibly efficient in terms of the way we build.
Awesome. All right, now to the laundry room.
Yes, off to the laundry room. And notice throughout as well, it's hard to see because it's covered in paper, but we did this really beautiful, light, wide plank LVP floor. And of
Ooh,
course,
I can
that's
see it a little bit. It's
all,
beautiful.
all throughout the main level. We have carpet in the bedroom, and then of course all up the stairs and the landing as well. All right, so kind of tucked off to the side is this fantastic laundry room with a folding table, which is something you do not see very often. So it gives you plenty of room to, kind of, I don't know, I don't do laundry.
But it's a great size room, and yes, I do actually love that it's tucked away because you can't really know that it's there.
Yes.
So it kind of hides the laundry area, which is nice, and then obviously you have a little other closet.
Yes, and not so much a coat closet, probably more of a Costco closet here in Florida.
Yes, games, whatever you need, absolutely.
Definitely. And of course, David Weekley with these 8-foot doors just really, really accentuates everything, awesome. Gives it a luxe
now
feel.
Upstairs.
We're super close to Pine Island Academy and Settlers Pond you can walk to as well. So you have the really fantastic opportunity. It's truly an immersive lifestyle where you could do everything in Nocatee. Of course, you have your doctors, your schools, your groceries.
Oh yeah, so 2 bedrooms up here, another bathroom with double sinks. Love that.
Yes, really, really beautiful.
Yeah.
And it's nice, so if you have guests, and you want to put them up here, they have their own space.
Absolutely.
Of course, like I was saying, we did this LVP up here, which we don't do a lot, but it is beautiful. So it's a really, really good opportunity for someone.
Love that.
Because it is a rare thing that we do. And of course, flooded with natural light throughout the whole house. Very, very intentional with the windows. You get morning sun through this window, given that way is east, so it'll rise over and kind of pour through the windows there.
It's beautiful. Love this loft area. What a great home. Well, Chad, remind us where we're at again, please, and about this house.
We are with David Weekley Homes in Crosswinds, Nocatee. You come visit our model, 47 Oak Breeze Drive in Ponte, Vedra, and we'd love to see you.
Okay, awesome. Thanks so much, Chad. We appreciate it. Come out here to Crosswinds with David Weekley and check out this beautiful home. We hope you're having a great day. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.